This was a great experience.
I mean, pretty much everything you wanted to know about detailing, this is really the place to come to.
So no matter what kind of detailer you are or what you want to learn in detailing, you're going to learn it at this class.
Yeah, in terms of the program, we found it to be really, really great. We've learned a lot from it.
I mean, you get a lot out of this training, big time. I would definitely recommend it.
I keep asking what's the use. Maybe we'll know when we get older.
6 days left until our 2020 detailing clinic. In 6 days, we have 26 students coming here. We have 7 teachers. We're hosting a detailing clinic here at Chicago Auto Pros. Students from all over the world. We got 2 guys coming from Australia, another guy coming from Jamaica, Miami, all over the country. A lot of local guys from Illinois also coming to the class. Super excited to get this going. This is my first teaching event class that I've ever done. I'm excited, but I'm also super nervous because I just want to make sure everybody gets the value that they came here for. I'm sure it's going to be great. We've been putting together a schedule and I'm sure it'll be good. I'm sure it'll be good. It'll be good. It'll be good. We have 2 bays here. This is going to be our 2 exterior bays we're going to be teaching in. We're going to have Jason Kilmer and Alan Medcraft. They're going to be teaching the exterior class. Just put up the Rupes wall hanger kits for the buffers there. Sweet. Brian, the racks look beautiful. Interior bays here. The first day we're going to have a rotating clinic with 3 different groups. So we're going to have prep bay training, interior detail training, and exterior detailing training. So that's the plan for the first day. The second day we're going to do a little more advanced training. We're going to go into wet sanding, coating application. We have a bunch of business classes, marketing, sales, all that good stuff. So 6 days. 6 days and counting. Little behind the scenes actions here. This is our newest YouTube video, our extreme odor removal Mercedes ML350. Actually had a bit of a problem doing the ending, the outro to it. You can hear it, it's really windy. ML350 is almost done. We put the ozone machine in the back. We're gonna let it run with the air conditioning and the heater. Terrible. Terrible. So we gotta re-record this outro. Last night for about 12 hours. Magic of movies. A lot better. Part of the detailing clinic, we're gonna have some video marketing class, and then we're gonna have a video editing class where I will sit down with 4 or 5 students. We got 4 or 5 computers in our office area, and I wanna put together a video. So we're actually gonna make a video here. We're gonna record all the clips. It's gonna be a 1-minute car wash, everything you need to know on how to wash a car in 1 minute. And we're gonna make the video here, so we're gonna have all the clips together and we can go through with the students and actually build the sequence for a video, showing them how to edit transitions, cuts, music, throwing everything together with the audio and making everything sound good and look good for YouTube. Five more days to our 2020 Detailers Clinic with everything that we got going on, getting ready for the detail clinic. We're also relaunching our Car Guy Supplies site. Car Guy Supplies is now Car Supplies Warehouse. If you guys want to find out why we changed the name, we got a full video on the Car Guy Supplies YouTube channel. Go check it out. So we got a new site that we're launching today. And today is kind of like triage. We're gonna launch the site and fix any problems that come with that, and hopefully there's not too many problems. And then we're also launching a new program for business owners. It's a wholesale program that you guys can sign up for and save money if you own a detailing business. So check it out. All right, we're ready to switch the site over. Part of me feels like when I press this button, everything is just gonna melt away and destruct everything. Let's find out. All right. Car Guy Supplies Warehouse. Oh, I said Car Guy Supplies Warehouse. Car Supplies Warehouse. and Jessica made it. Woo! The training's starting already. Headlight paint protection film training session starts now. Everything's coming along nicely. Got the conference table set up for everybody here. Phil Miranda came in earlier. Alan's been pitching in, helping a lot. All the guys cleaned up the shop. Thank you guys. Now, tomorrow, me and Alan, you see Alan in there? He's in there, he's over there. Me and Alan are gonna come in tomorrow. We're gonna do some content. We're gonna do a weekend wash with the AM Details products. Finish setting everything up here. And then Monday morning, 8 o'clock, everything starts. But tonight, me and Alan, I'm gonna take him on a little date. We're going downtown Chicago. We're going to the Chicago Auto Show. Right there, oh yeah. Well, that was a great time at the auto show, Alan. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, I'll just take this. No drinking drive, children.
Good morning. It's Sunday. We have one more day before the detail clinic. So we're in here getting the shop ready. And while you're here, we're going to be doing a weekend wash video.
I'm excited. We can wash on the E-Man's car.
Let's do it. My camera's a little fogged up. It was cold. It was in the car. It is Monday morning. Getting ready for the class, setting up. I don't feel good. I'm running a little cold. I took some Dayquil. We're going to make it through this day. Tadas is here helping me do the final setup. Greg will be here in a half hour or so. We'll set up breakfast, get the guys going, head up over to the hotel. They got a shuttle from the hotel for the guys. That'll bring them to the shop here. 7:10. One more hour. We'll have a full shop of full people.
It's time for the party.
My name is Michael Tallwater with All About Detail in Sandwich, Illinois. I describe this class as a real good learning experience, especially for entry-level detailers. It covers all bases the first day with your prep, interior and exterior. The process that they go through and the methods are great. Your second day, you get more advanced into it, and that's what I like the most is you get advanced. You get your hands-on training. You get to do stuff that you normally won't get to do at home because you got the equipment here that you might not have at home to be able to do it and get to know your potential, get to know your level of experience then.
Hi, my name is Derek from
coming from Upper Marlboro, Maryland to Chicago Auto Pros. The class that I gravitated mostly to was paint correction because I wanted to refine that skill. Basic detailing and basic prepping was already down, and also mainly I didn't really get to take advantage of the business classes the most, but I got in the class today with Greg, and I really want to hone in on how to, run a business, pricing, and all that. But mainly it was paint correction because I wanted to get that down.
Asking for the business will help you dramatically improve your closing. People sometimes just need a little push.
My name's Eddie Hojera. I'm from Richmond, Michigan. The class I really took to was the Google marketing and the business classes, because the detail shop has been open for about 6-7 years now, and so we really wanted to take that extra step and really become an official business and getting all the information we needed. Those Google marketing classes and all the marketing classes, business classes really helped out with that. It really explained in-depth details and steps to take in order to kind of achieve somewhat kind of like Chicago Auto Pros.
Everything's going fantastic. So we're doing coating application. We're gonna go through fabrics, leather, exterior paint, wheels, trim, glass, the whole 9 yards. We're gonna show these guys how to use every coating you could use on a vehicle.
Hey everyone, I'm Joe Gritcher, coming in from Sydney, Australia to visit Chicago Auto Pros to do the program. This is my brother.
I'm Anthony Gritcho, coming here as well, Joe from Sydney, Australia.
Look, I think anyone from around the world should come and visit Chicago Auto Pros. I think it's everything that it's a lot of stuff that we didn't expect to be here, was here, and we've learnt a whole lot about it. I don't think they could have done it any better, that's the truth. Anthony and I have flown a long way to be here. And it will, I think, give you a lot of confidence, not only in the detailing side, but the marketing side, advertising side, and that's what we want for our business, is to bring this type of stuff back to Sydney, Australia. So yeah, I think you've done it great. It's been great.
From not feeling confident, especially from not holding a DA before, from now after Chicago Auto Pros being taught, we're able to feel confident now to buff a vehicle, ceramic coat, a lot more than what we come in from. Yeah.
Like Anthony said, we were people that have only been stuck in mechanical and auto electrical. So to come with a basic, we've learnt a lot. We've taken in a lot from Chicago Auto Pros in this whole program from the team. So I would highly rate someone from Australia, from any country actually, to come and visit Chicago Auto Pros, because they've got a lot to show. Even if you've got a real basic knowledge like we have, you do gain a lot through that. So I think definitely come here, yeah.
Also the staff that it's been very helpful about sharing the knowledge and how to do stuff with the machines, ceramic coating, wet sanding, how to use the machines properly, the products properly.
Hey, I'm George Gonzalez. I'm with the Gloss Garage Detailing in Cocoa, Florida.
Hello, my name is Jorge Ramirez. I'm local here in Chicago area. I came here to Chicago Auto Pros to learn and relearn the steps of detailing, and having the opportunity to meet Luke Wilson or Phil Miranda in person instead of watching them through a phone or through a camera or whatever. It's really like a life-changing. I learn a lot than watching their videos and my own personal time.
I took away a lot of actually sanding experience that I was not expecting to get here. There's crazy, the Sandman was here. I mean, it's insane to learn from the man himself. So I took away crazy techniques that I never thought I'd learn this soon. I'm very confident to go back home and get to work. Excited to put everything I've learned here to practice, and I think I'm going to go home and be a better businessman and detailer than I was before I came here.
Jose about 3 hours to edit this video, and it's a video that we're actually going to put on Car Guy Supplies. The video's title is going to be How to Wash a Car in 1 minute. So it's kind of a clickbaity title where people are like, well, how does this guy wash a car in 1 minute? In actuality, it's just me explaining the car wash process in 1 minute.
There's a computer over here too.
So we're going to watch this video real quick, and then I'm going to kind of go through the screen and show you what all these different modules do, and we'll go in and we'll start to rebuild this video a little bit.
So I'm trying to say about how you guys are just like, everything you see on the videos and everything, it's real, and that you get that experience here. Meeting all the guys here that I watch, you know, on the vlogs and through Jason's trainings, videos, all of it's real. I mean, that's how they teach. It's not, you're not in a classroom just listening to boring lectures or watching. You're hands-on. You know, everything's very interactive, and you want to learn. You come here and you're going to take away everything that they say, and you're going to leave a better detailer and businessman than you were when you came. So come to Chicago Auto Pros detail class.
Again, thank you. This was our first class that we've done. I had no idea what to expect, but it's a lot more than I expected, and I appreciate you guys all being here. It's very special. Thank you.
Thank you.